thank you for the tech link for the invitation. Thank you very much for being able to share the experience we've been having with Sunew and the installations that we've been done on the past years. So a little bit about Sunew. So Sunew was founded in 2015. Today we have installations in 16 different countries around the world. This has brought us a lot of knowledge, a lot of data, a lot of information, and a lot of interesting views on how OPV work on different conditions and situations. Okay. We're located in Brazil. Our headquarters in a city called Belo Horizonte. A lot of you may know this city name. It's where Germany beat Brazil 7-1. So this is where we're located. Not very good place to remember, but anyway. It's good that Sunew is here, but the stadium is not a good place. So a little bit more about Sunew. Sunew is a B certified corporation. So the idea here is that we associate our economical growth with the welfare of the environment. So we believe that we can merge these two things. Of course, we offer a sustainable product, and besides that, we also try to contribute with the nature the maximum we can. We have projects where in every square meter sold, we donate a seedling of a native tree to this. It's a non-profit organization called SOS Mata Atlântica that reforest some of the forests that were cut here in Brazil. So this is a few things that we do for the environment besides producing some clean energy. What is our solution? So what do we do? We produce OPV, organic photovoltaics. So what are the advantages of the organic photovoltaics? So they're the third generation of solar panels. They're produced mainly with organic materials, so they can use mainly polymers. They also use some kind of metals if a hybrid solution than a completely organic solution in our case. Some of its characteristic, it can be very thin, so 300 micrometers thick. It is flexible, it's semi-transparent, it can be lightweight, 300 grams per square meter, so it's very lightweight. You can customize it, different sizes, different shapes, even different colors. It can have low carbon footprint, so it has a low carbon footprint, especially during production. And the idea is that it can be integrated to any kind of surface. So this is a principle that we have. If it's a surface, we can apply the OPV. There might be challenges, but we can apply it. So some of our main applications over these last 5 years since our creation and today. So let's start with building integrated OPV. This is the largest OPV installation. I dare to say it's the largest one in the world. It's in a client here in Brazil called Natura. So we installed more than 2,000 panels in their rooftop. Organic panels installed there. It's a very nice site. This is their meeting room close to their factory. The amount of challenges that we learned here are uncountable. It's something that it's absurd, the amount of information and knowledge that we got when we did this installation. On upscaling the production line and on doing the installation. We'll go forward onto some details later on, but it's a 1,800 square meter installation of the OPV. It's around 1,600 square meters of OPV. Some other installations. This is the first installation done by Sunew back in 2000. This is a facade. It's on a building in São Paulo, so it's in Brazil. The OPV panels here, they're laminated inside glass, so it's a type of product that we can offer. This is another installation. This is the largest one. It's the same concept